Naumann's thrush, Turdus naumani. Meet Naumann's thrush, a striking migratory songbird of northern Asia. Measuring 23 to 25 centimeters and weighing just 63 to 81 grams, this medium-sized thrush carries subtle beauty with bold seasonal journeys. The male is pale olive-grey-brown above, highlighted with soft rufous tones on the eyebrows, wings, and tail. Underneath, they glows orange-rufous with delicate dark spotting along the throat and pale scalloping across the lower breast. Their bill is dark with a yellowish base, and his legs are yellow-brown. The female looks similar but is slightly duller, with a browner tail and buff-colored throat. Juveniles are more heavily streaked, helping them blend perfectly into woodland habitats. Naumann's thrush breeds across south-central Siberia, especially around the Yenisei and Lena river basins. When winter arrives, it migrates south through Mongolia and Korea, spending the colder months mainly in eastern China, with smaller numbers reaching Japan and Taiwan. On rare occasion, wanderers even appear as far west as Europe. During breeding season, it prefers forest edges, riverbank willows and poplars, and open woodland. On migration and in winter, it can be found in floodplains, scrublands, farmland, and even gardens. Their diet consists mostly of insects and larvae, along with berries like bilberries and cotree fruit. Interestingly, studies show that much of its diet includes insects harmful to crops and forests, making it beneficial to ecosystems. Breeding takes place from May to June, though detailed nesting behavior remains less documented. Naumann's thrush is currently listed as least concern, meaning it is not globally threatened. A quiet traveler of forests and floodplains, Naumann's thrush is a remarkable example of nature's balance between beauty and resilience. Have you seen Naumann's thrush or any other thrush species? Share your experience in comment below. Subscribe, like and share to discover more hidden wonders of the wild. Thank you for watching.